What's up guys, Steve here and welcome to my first ever Bloons TD battles video. So I might be doing a couple of those. So first thing first, let me get into a battle. So quick play. As always, I have a very good deck. I'm going to show you right now. So it's for me the best deck for starters and I'm a starter, so yeah, let us go. Our ice flow, I can't skip. Ooh, I don't have anything icy. Hope he skips. Confirmed his deck, so things aren't going good. I hope I got some balloons. Oh no, it's ice flow. I don't have anything watery. Everything is back. So where are they gonna come? Let's put in a cannon. Hopefully that could work. He places in 2 monkeys. Should I put So now let me send in the balloons. On the try to send only the blue ones. They're the exact same as the red ones, but stronger, which is decent. So I'm going to be sending only those, none of the red ones. So yeah, let's do that. So yeah. So he has a monkey thing going on. There's this one. Maybe there. And it there. So yeah. Let me put another this one. Maybe that's a position. So yeah. Max it out. Everything is going decent right now. But what the heck? What? Could you count how much monkeys is that? I'm not gonna bubble count it, but could you guys count? Because I can't. So let's put in another cannon. And a few black ones. They give me a ton of eco. So yeah, wait, I need to max out my cannons now. Yeah. Ooh, he's sending in a lot. Let's go in. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm losing. Oh, but he's losing some as well. It's not just me. Which is kind of good, but I lost a lot. I think I'm placing this terribly. Let me just try there, maybe? Yeah. When they first come. He has the most terrible idea. He has the worst idea ever. Right, let me. Look, what's all these monkeys? That isn't good. He's going to lose a ton. Let me put in a few of these ones. They give a lot of eco. And they're super strong. I'm doing super bad, but he's doing even badder, which I'm super happy about. Oh, this one gives me 5 eco. Superb. Maybe put in a ninja monkey. Oh, yeah, we need one. Maybe put in another ninja monkey in here. Yeah. I need to max out my stuff. A lot of max stuff, I think. I need to max a lot of things now. I'm not going to build more, maybe like only 1 cannon. Then stop, because I want to max things out. This thing just pisses me off, the mortar tower, I think. This pisses me off each time I click. I don't know, what the heck am I... Right, yeah, the dartling gone. Wait, what the heck am I doing? There. Yeah, good. Well, that was pretty noobish. So, nah, I'm not going to put in a cannon. I need to max out my stuff. Sea launcher. Yeah, that. I need to get... But for me, I think I must have... What the heck? What? All these monkeys? That's just too much. Have you ever placed that much monkeys in your life? Oof, that's a lot of monkeys. And a sea launcher, I think I have not everything maxed. I need distraction left. And then I have this other monkey and the Dotling guns. So yeah. Distraction, I have guns to max out. I think, yeah. And this monkey. So we're currently doing well. I think I just need to hit 400 eco or more. I have a lot of eco. I need more. He's kind of doing terrible. Wait, should I count how much monkeys? Oh, should I focus or count? Focus or count? Oh, everything on that. Everything. Forget everything. Everything goes on that one. No! I lost a game of Bloons TD. I'm gonna go again. Oh my god! This guy takes the piss out of me. Okay, maybe I lost, but they're not good. So yeah. That pissed me off. That was a pain in the ass. Why didn't he just rematch? He's just super scared of me, I think. During guys, let me cut it. Oh, so that's a very good ending. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all later. See ya!